talk about what's happening with my LP and what I'm doing new and what's going on, everything. Also, I kind of started like every week I will be making a one video on how much yield I'm collecting and kind of analyze that, so what it looks like. So it just kind of transparency. Also, it just kind of gives me idea of how much I'm kind of, it's all over, so I'll be tracking like really rigorously. So let's get it started, right? So right now I have this Sol USDC. This is pretty tight range, not tight I guess, but pretty tight range I would say, right? So the range is 130 to 160 right now. The balance is 28,829. That's a LP. The LP, I think I provide a little above since I was at 130.35 or something, but I know this has significantly gone down because the price is down right now, right around like what's right now, 133, right? So we are at 130. So we are around 133. So it is go. So right now the pending yield is 319. So I will be recording and also I think I will be claiming. So 319.88. So I made a sheet here. So 319.88. So this is my yield, 319.88. And I'll also update here if it's a rebalance. Right now I'm not rebalancing, and today is 12/8/25. This is Sol USDC, and the LP value is 28,833. So it's gonna change, but 28,833. This doesn't really have much meaning, but I'm just kind of tracking like how it is reducing, if I'm making enough. And as you can see, so far I have I've collected about 1288. So that's my yield so far this year. I mean, I think I still have. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of collect. I know this is 319 now, that's a good thing, but I'm gonna collect this and we'll kind of restart. Should I just collect it? This is 319. Yeah, I guess we can collect it, but I'll collect in a while. But yeah, a couple dollars should not matter, or I can update that. Then similarly, if we go here, also I wanted to kind of talk about another strategy I was doing. Is what I did was hypothetically, right? So I think I'm kind of in debate. I guess I could start. So this is, I created Sol USDC with a very wide range, 75 to 199, right? So I think if we run up, maybe we go 80, 90. Max I think is 199, but pretty less chance of doing that right now, I feel like, cause even with the run we are not getting that action. Like I think liquidity dried up, we don't have much liquidity in Solana ecosystem, and I feel like the lowest we can go is probably about 50, 60. But I put 75 a little bit, then we probably bounce back, but I think 50 is in the books. Anyway, the goal of this LP was to see how much. I think I started around December 1 or 2, but I wanted to see in a month, right, how much it makes, right? So this is 1000. So if you provide 100,000, it's making like 451 in a week. So that's not bad, right? Like about a 80, 90 per day. So I think that's pretty decent yield. So and as you see, there's very low risk, right? So if it just goes 75 in this, I mean, you'll be collecting pretty good, right now API is 32% in 365, which is really great. So that is the one things I'm kind of trying, so I will not kind of include this. But yeah, let's get back to my Ethereum, right? Similarly, I think Ethereum I have a few. So ETH USDC, I think I should write change to change. So ETH USDC, and date I can just do today. And I think instead of this I should do chain and note maybe here. So right there. So ETH USDC, if you can see that here, I have like 424. I will adjust like when I claim, but at 424.75. So 28,567, 28,567, and 424.75, 424.75. That's right there. So I'm already at 1700, not bad for less than 10 days. And if I go to 11,239, 172 here. So 172, these are like a little wider than what I was doing before. I was very conservative, but this has been in the range for a while, so that is a good thing. So 11,239, 11,239. So and this is in uni chain, uni, and this is in base. Yeah, those are the major two. And also here the other things I was like, I did two. So if I put 200,000, right, so times 100, so it's 843 if you put it. And this is same concept what I was explaining, and here I was kind of testing with about 1500 to 4500. So I don't think we are even going 4500 this, so probably like 4000, but that's what my guess is. Then I have a bunch of this with Brett and Pendle, which are not making. So also I'll probably include only if it's $100, right? So I don't want to keep claiming this. So this is Brett with Brett. So we have this 2619 108. So 2619 108. I think I probably need to add more column here. This, and what else I have? So Pendle, I'm not gonna collect. Then I have Uni USDC in ETH, Uni USDC, and this is ETH chain. And if I look at here, 15,725 162, 15,725, 15,725, and is it 182? What was that? 162, 162. So 2100, not bad. And I think I have few more, so I don't want to collect this 3613. So yeah, I'll collect this when it reaches about $100. So I think I can include, but those are the basically yield this this month so far. So I'm at 21. So with this I think I'll probably hit around 6,000. But again, if it kind of keeps dropping, then you'll have yield, but basically kind of less in the dollar. You'll have more in the coin. So let's see how that goes. But just wanted to update so far 2100 in yield. So yeah, don't forget like and subscribe, and also let me know if you want me to cover something else. But that's it for today. Thank you.